With webbing, your goal is to come up with as many ideas about a concept as possible in a limited amount of time, say 5 to 7 minutes. Imagine you're taking bioethics, and your professor assigns a paper on whether euthanasia should be legal. You have to take a position and support it using what you have learned in class. You begin to think. Maybe you can just start with the word legal. Okay, time's up. Now you need to figure out how all of these ideas relate to each other. Well, these ideas are all related to laws in general, and here you get more specific talking about laws related to euthanasia. The last group of ideas is about ethics, and specifically utilitarianism. Because you've become interested in utilitarianism, and because it's one of the key theories covered in class, you conclude that you'll use it as the main focus for your argument.